It started with fire, bringing the Elements experience to macOS. Then came water, for developers on Windows. And now, the journey continues. Welcome to Earth! This is an introduction to Earth, RemObjects development environment for Elements on Linux. When you start Earth, you can create a new project or open an existing solution. Let's start with a new project. The IDE supports a wide range of project types and target platforms. We can start with Linux projects, including applications designed to run natively on Linux. There are also project templates for Google's Fuchsia platform. Shared projects let you keep common source code in one place and use it across multiple projects. For .NET, Earth provides templates for a variety of application types, including Windows applications with technologies such as WPF and Windows Forms, as well as other .NET project types. The Cocoa section includes templates for Apple's platforms, macOS, iOS, watchOS, and so on. Next, we have templates for Android applications. Java projects target the Java platform and JVM. And there are templates for WebAssembly and web-related development, including web modules and Node.js applications. Finally, the Windows section includes Island project templates. Island applications compile directly to native machine code without relying on the .NET runtime. For this demonstration, let's create a .NET console application. With Elements, the project type and the programming language are separate choices. For a new project, you can choose from 6 Elements languages: C#, Oxygen, Swift, Java, Go, and Mercury. Now let's choose Oxygen. We'll save the application. And here it is. On the left is the sidebar, with several navigation tabs. The first is the Solutions tab. It shows the projects that are currently open in the solution. Right now, our solution contains a single project, the console application we just created. The program file contains the basic structure of our Oxygen application. At the top of the IDE, you can select the build configuration and the target device or environment for your application. The sidebar provides access to different areas of the development environment. Let's take a closer look at our project. The project structure gives you access to its source files, settings, and references. To manage the project's dependencies, select Manage References. References can be added from several different sources, including system libraries, other projects or assemblies, Cirrus, and NuGet packages. Project settings are also available directly from the Solution Explorer. Now let's build the application. Earth displays the compilation process in the build log, and the build completes successfully. A solution can contain multiple projects. Let's add another one. This time, we'll add Java console application to the existing solution. We'll call it Console Application Java. The new project now appears alongside the original one. If we'll look at main program files, they are identical because it's the same console application written in Oxygen, but targeting different platforms. Let's add some functionality to the .NET application. We'll add a simple message along with information about the platform and the runtime. I use code completion to select a variable. Then we'll print that information to the console. Let's run the application. Oops, we have a couple of errors to fix. Earth highlights the issues directly in the editor and reports them in the build status. Okay, I see the problem. Let's try again. The project is rebuilt. 2 warnings seems expected. Now Earth launches the application under the debugger. The application is now running successfully. Our console displays the platform and the version of the .NET runtime. I want to have the same functionality, but for a Java console application, as quick as possible. Earth also includes direct access to RemObjects CodeBot. Let's open its pane. CodeBot is available directly inside the IDE, ready to assist with your development tasks. We will kindly ask it to help. It would take only a few moments to understand what code should be added. And after an approval, update the application code. Even warnings are fixed automatically in the CodeBot's piece of code. We'll run the project for the final check. Now we see the platform and runtime for the Java application. Lovely. And that's Earth, the Elements IDE for Linux, with CodeBot right at your side. It is included with your Elements subscription. Welcome to Earth.